silence anybody who is not of color. That's what white privilege is. It is just a leftist bullshit term that means shut up because you are not a member of a minority group, a privileged minority group in the leftist space. It's reverse racism of the highest order. You're basically saying to white people who aren't racist, and you can't find any proof of their racism, that they must be racist because they're white. That is called racism. If you are accusing somebody of something simply because of the color of their skin without any evidence, that's called racism, gang.
Don't play you hate on me.
Good.
Play you hate somebody else.
Yeah.
Yo, I'm a gangster.
Yo.
Where my dogs at? Bark with me if you're my dog. Yo. I'm going
I don't want to bark.
I'm going to give a shout out to all the player haters.
I don't like player haters.
If you're a player hater, don't player hate on me.
player hate somewhere
I'm a
else.
gangster. I'm straight up.
Straight up gangster, dude. Grr, I'm steaming mad. Grr.
I'm a gangster. I'm a straight up G. The gangster life is the life for me. Shooting people by day, selling drugs by night. Being a gangster is hella